Hello everyone, welcome to some basic tech. So today we will present about how you can prevent from phishing attacks. Okay, so our today agenda is to talk about how you can first get to know what is actually a phishing email or any phishing URL, and how you can try to you know ignore to clicking on it and try to avoid any unhappening or something like that. Okay, so first of all, we will see what is exactly phishing attack is. Fine. So phishing attack is a type of a cyber attack where attackers use deceptive emails, messages, URLs, websites, or any sort of links that you can get anywhere. It means Instagram, WhatsApp, Telegram, Snapchats, any applications. Today the very good social media applications are running in the entire world. So the major thing is we usually use all type of applications, and we you know try to click anywhere wherever we want, but we just need to know about that, how we can prevent any phishing attacks. Because once you are under attacked, you will face so many challenges. You will lose your so many important data. It means you know most of the users or most of the people are saving their banking informations, user IDs and informations, most of the personal and public pictures, corporate data, companies data, some of uh, most of things, just like they are very important for them. So these things are inside the mobile. So once you are getting attacked, you will face so many challenges. So why should I click to any links? See, so basically whenever you're scrolling any Instagram, you're scrolling WhatsApp, YouTube, or something like that, you will definitely feel like, oh, this is the URL for downloading the application, this is the URL for just going to the particular account or something like that. Or you are receiving any emails from Instagram, or from what we can say, YouTube, or from your company HR, or anywhere. But before going to click on that URL or a link, you just need to know what exactly that is mean, and is it really related to you, or they are just sent to you and they want you to click on that link. Correct? So once you click, you will face unknown issues. I will say unknown issues because there is nothing defined. Now, what will happen after mistake, right? Once you click, then what will happen? They will keep your data in their own storage, and recently I lose my YouTube account username and password. So luckily I was using MFA authentication. It means multi factor authentication. When he was trying to fees, he already sent me a phishing email. I just click on that URL, then I found, oh, that is not exactly what I meant. But now uh, I just faced this thing. Then I just immediately changed my password, and I rechecked MFA, and it was clear before going any unhappening. So that was me, when I was just facing this issue. So here they will definitely use your data for uh, losing your money, losing your privacy, losing your all kind of things. So I would really recommend you to don't click to any URL or anything. Now I'm showing you examples of scams where you can get trapped anytime. So the fake voice invoicing scam, email account upgrade scam, advance fee scam, Google Docs, PayPal scam, message from HR. It means whenever you are not coming to office, or incentive or any appraisal or something like that, or immediate message for any kind of unhappenings. And Dropbox scam, a council tax, and unusual activity scam. So these are the corporate level scams I just mentioned here. These are the very you know useful scams that can happen anytime. WhatsApp message, Instagram profile links, important messages in mobiles. It means in mess sections. Definitely in messages applications, we can send any URL and anybody can click there. So just be aware these things. And YouTube emails, yeah, we are receiving so many emails from YouTube, Instagrams, for uploading any unusual videos, for unusual reels or something like that. So be aware, they will definitely provide you a link to avoid these things. But before clicking to the link, do verify whether you made any mistake or not. Okay, now the fifth one is critical message in any other applications. It means example Snapchat, Telegram, X, Facebook, any applications. uh, Most of the cases, we are following to any person, they are celebrity or something like that. So what we usually do, we just believe to the person and click to any link. But before clicking, just to think about, is it really important to click that link, or you can try with a different method. It means you can try to search in a Google and search with the different videos that is specially designed for your required things. So that will be really happen. But I would really suggest you to don't click blindly to any URLs or links. Now you can see the examples that I just pasted as a screenshot. So you can see this is the high severity alert has been triggered. This is for Office 365, and this is came from a different email ID. But see, in the email ID section is records. It means this is not generated from Microsoft. The Microsoft is in the friendly name, or you can say in the heading name, but the email ID is definitely not correct, right? So you just need to make sure these things, that is very important. And some of spelling mistakes that we can see in the next examples, right? See here what we can see here, suspended, click here to verify your email. It means threat, it will be temporarily suspended. It means they are trying to enforce you to do it as soon as, so you can avoid any mistakes. But there is a mistake that you can do, fine. So before clicking, just make sure if there is missing or something mentioned, just like this one, trusted center. So they will always try to use a common signature, so you cannot understand whether it is from the specific team or it is general information. So before clicking, just do verify with your colleague, with your friend, or anybody that is belong to the email or something like that, so you can get more context before clicking to the link, correct? Now let me see third example. Here you can see the fake message from Instagram. Here they already have mentioned that to click on this portion to avoid these mistakes. But see what they have mentioned. We found content in your account that will violate our copyright laws. Your account will be suspended within 24 hours. If you think we have made mistake, please click copyright objection form button and fill out the form. We will feedback to you by email 24 hours. See, so before clicking to this URL, just verify that whatever you uploaded or whatever you were trying to upload, was there any issue? It means during the process, did you get any error message or something like that, or you uploaded your video perfectly? If it was done successfully, then there is no point to receive any copyright email, right? So this is how you can verify, this is how you can understand. And if you lose your data, then you need to immediate contact the concerned person or concerned authority to get it resolve as soon as. Suppose you are facing any Google related, then you just need to get support from Google. If you are facing any facing any challenges related to corporate emails, do directly connect with the IT team. They will help you as soon as. Even they can block your email ID temporarily, so you will not lose your data whatever saved or any platform. It means if you mistaken that, what we can try to figure out as soon as. So yeah. And if definitely if you are facing any issues with the Instagram, Facebook, or WhatsApp, you need to just contact with these respective applications owners. It means, or a kind of a support team, right? So yeah, this is the main thing that I just wanted to show you, how you can try to avoid these mistakes and these things that can try to provide you more trouble and more information. So if hope you like the video, and if you like the video, kindly do subscribe and share the channel. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. See you again.